Someone's had to have done it already, right? Look, someone did it. Okay, how do I get it though, right? But how do I run it? So this is used to get the letter H and then print the result. Here's the version from Wikipedia. Okay, this uses a loop to capture the letters. I see. Now how do I get it? People are crazy. Oh look, Geek for Geeks has one. Okay. Oh look, here we go. Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, you will watch me struggle and maybe even struggle yourself as you watch me try to write hello world in 10 different programming languages. Now I have consulted with ChatGPT as to the 10 languages that I should do for this challenge, each one getting progressively harder, starting with Python, going through JavaScript, Ruby, Go, Java, C, Rust, Haskell, assembly, and then Brainf. I do have some experience in Python, JavaScript. I've seen some Go, I've done some Rust. The others, not too familiar with, so I don't even have them on my machine. I'm not going to use any ChatGPT. There's not going to be any AI assistance. Let's go ahead and get started. We'll go on into Python for the first hello world. Pop open a PowerShell. Python. Okay, I think it's just print. Yeah. Done. That was it.
Cool story, bro.
Let's move on into JavaScript. So I can use Node for that, and I will console.log hello world. And that's it. We are done with that one. Don't get much simpler than that. Next, we're moving on into Ruby. What is this?
Dynamic open source programming language with focus on simplicity and productivity.
So let me go ahead and download this. We'll install that. I guess when in doubt, just default. That's probably the simplest way to go about it. We have Ruby Installer 2 for Windows. Which component should be installed? If unsure, press enter. All right, I guess that's it. So let's see. Let's just do Ruby. Open interactive Ruby. Oh, look, there it is. If we want to print out hello world, we need puts. Oh, look, it's there. Cool. Nice. Ruby is done. Let's go to the next one on the list. Go. Get started. I'm pretty sure I already downloaded this. Oh look, get started with hello world. All right, let's see. It says make directory, hello, change directory, hello, enable dependency tracking. We'll do
Go mod init example hello.
I do not have Go installed on my machine, so I'm gonna have to download it then. So let's go do that. Documentation, installing Go, download. Okay, so we're gonna install the Go programming language. Okay, so we have just finished installing. Let's go ahead and try that command again. Maybe I need to restart PowerShell. Yes, okay, sweet. So restarting the shell did the trick. Let's go ahead and try to add our dependency tracking. All right. Oh, you know what? I didn't go into my directory. Stupid. Let's go into the hello directory, creating a file. Copy this. We'll throw it in here. Let's save it. To run it, okay, and it's go, run. I'm imagining that because this is the first time that I've ran a Go program on this computer, maybe it might take a second. Man, it's taking a long time. Let me try it again. Implement a main function to print a message to the console. We did. It finally ran. Okay, let's see. Is it gonna be faster now? Let's try that again. It takes some time. It looks like everything's good though, eh? Everything works. Go is done. Let's move on to our next one. Next we have Java. Java requires more setup with class definitions and boilerplate code.
What is that?
Okay, we need to now get Java. Do I have it on my computer? Okay. How come when I put Java, the first thing that pops up is Wikipedia and then W3 Schools? The Java tutorial. Look how intimidating this looks, dude. Okay, look, getting started. Look, the hello world application describes what to download, what to install, what to type. Boom. This looks so boring, dude. I have to zoom in to 200% for me to even want to try and read it. For Microsoft Windows. Let's just try this one. Java SE Development Kit. All right, looks like it's installing. Whoa, is that it? Okay, this looks pretty straightforward. It's not pretty. Okay, I'm gonna do this in Notepad. I'm just gonna go for it.
Class hello world app print line hello world.
All right, you're ready to compile. So it's Java C, which stands for Java compile.
No way.
I don't know where I saved it. Let me just try it again. Now we have the file. Now we can run the compiler, which is Java compiler hello world app.java. Okay, and now we have the class file. Great. We're gonna use our CP options. Boom, we did it. Java down. I didn't like that one. Next we have C, lower level language with manual memory management.
What is
and
that?
requiring a compiler. Sounds tough. Another one of these where first thing I see is Wikipedia. That's just lovely. We are looking for how to download C. Now, how do I get it? You're probably looking to download the compiler. So finding code is easy. Finding out how to get a compiler is the hard part, huh? It's like Visual Studio is the way to go. So I guess I've had Visual Studio installer, but I've never used it.
You stupid.
Okay, so it looks like it's finished updating. Let's see if I can launch it. I have no idea what I'm doing. Okay, I think I need to install this, the IDE right here. Dang, I thought it was already done. Okay, so let's install this one. Please update Visual Installer before proceeding. I feel like installing the languages is actually harder than writing in them, you know what I mean? It finished updating. Okay, so we're installing it. Okay, finally it's downloading the IDE. So once this is done, I'll be able to finally start writing Hello World in C. Okay, let's see what we got. It's installed. It's asking me to sign in. Just gonna skip this for now. Gotta go with the dark mode. All right, create a new project. Well, where is C, dude? Blank solution. Sure. All right, let's make a new. Bro, I am so lost. Call it hello.c. Yay, I have a file. Okay, let's get a feel for it. So going to
Include standard input output, and we have our main function where we shall print hello world and return 0.
How do I run it? Visual Studio, compile C program. Open a developer command prompt. Developer command prompt. Okay. To run it, I use a CL command. So CL on hello.c. Not recognized. Let's try this one. Okay, cool. I found it. Now, where is this file? Dude, I don't know where it saved it. Well, let's go into our solutions. Yep, there it is. So CL, hello. All right, there's my object. All right, now to run it, hello.exe. But I got it. Yes, got it in C. Whew, that one was tough. All right, next one is Rust. Okay, I already have Rust, I'm pretty sure. Cargo, I think? Yeah, it's Cargo. That's the package manager, so I do have it. Clear out some shells. I'm gonna close this
diabolical Visual Studio.
Let's go into finding a walkthrough on Rust. Rust programming language. Okay, getting started. All right, creating a new project. Cargo, new, hello, Rust. There's our TOML file. And then in source, we should see our main.rust file. Looks like it already has it in there, dude. Let's look at it though. Pretty straightforward. Just a print line inside the main function. I suppose installing it would have been more intense than actually writing the code. So to run it, cargo run, hello world, Rust is done. Let's go into the next one. Haskell, a functional language with a steep learning curve. That sounds lovely. Haskell programming language.
Polymorphically statically typed lazy purely functional language.
Sounds fancy, man. Learn Haskell in 10 minutes. Okay, so let's go to getting started.
Set up a Haskell development environment. Consists of the Haskell toolchain, compiler, language server, and build tool.
It says I need the Haskell extension. Come to extensions, Haskell. Okay, now what? Should work out of the box and use your installation. I have to do this one.
So GHCup is a universal installer for Haskell that will install everything you need to program. Follow the instructions on this webpage to install GHCup.
I can just copy this and run it in PowerShell. Okay, I'll do default. I'll say yes, sure, yes. Pretty intense installation. Okay, while this is going, I'm gonna look into first steps. Okay, so we're still waiting for Haskell to install. Shouldn't be much longer. And the good news is I've already found how to compile programs. It seems really simple. This is done installing, okay? Any key to exit. Okay, so let's see. Let's make sure I have the version installed. Installed successfully, that's good news. Next, we'll create a new file named hello.hs.
Main equals put string hello Haskell.
Let's see. GHC hello.hs. Compiling, linking, and it made our executable. Now we run the program. Hello, Haskell. Yeah, we did it. All right, so Haskell is done. Let's move on to assembly. All right, this is the one that I'm
actually really scared of.
Assembly language, often referred to as assembly, and commonly abbreviated as ASM or ASM.
Is any low-level programming language with a very strong correspondence between the instructions in the language and the architecture's machine code instructions.
Man, this is scary, dude.
This is number 9, assembly programming language on Windows. I see this YouTube video installing MASM. Okay. So MASM stands for Microsoft Macro Assembler. No, thank you. From Bloomberg's University, huh? I just won't put any passwords or anything in.
A high-level programming language is compiled to assembly code, or machine code. Assembly is the most similar thing to machine code we can write without problems.
Okay, so I'm gonna read through this Geek for Geeks article. When we talk about programming language, the first thing that comes to mind is these, but they are extracting many things from us, and it is readable by humans. How to execute. Okay, here we go.
Write assembly code. Open a text editor and write the mnemonic codes in it, and save the file with the proper extension according to your assembler. Could be asm.s or asmx.
Okay, so here is a Windows assembler .x64 assembler language. Dude, this is tough. I don't even know what to do. Okay, here's PowerShell. Let's do NASM. Nope. Let me open up this one. Let's do NASM. Okay, let's launch this again. Maybe we'll have better luck. ml64.exe. Dude, this is hard.
You stupid.
I think I'm just gonna follow this dude's tutorial. Okay, so this one uses Visual Studio. I'll go ahead and download the most recent stable version. Okay, it says I need to run it as admin. I'm gonna install it just for me. Okay, here's some Stack Overflow. Okay, here's NASM. Well, I at least know the name. It's hello.asm. Looks like we have a NASM shell shortcut. Oh, dude, I got it. I got NASM. Let's go. Oh my gosh, why was that so hard? Okay, yep, I got a version. Dude. Okay, we got our assembler. Now we just gotta write some hello world. We need to create the following file. Nano hello world.asm. Okay, here we go. So I'm just gonna write this out. We're gonna go through it. Hardware refresher, types of memory. Dude, this stuff is deep.
So we're gonna do bits, 64, 4 spaces, a message of hello world, push, move, what is this, substitute? Also, what?
And then we're gonna call the exit process. Okay, that makes sense.
I know some of these words.
All right, let's save it. Let's try and run it. Right, let's try doing it in that command prompt, that NASM shell. We're going to assemble this text into an object file. All right, so NASM on Win64, output a hello world object from this ASM file. Man, let's go to NASM's website. Maybe I can find like some documentation. Okay, I was not expecting this. I was expecting this to be this hard, but now that I'm here, I don't want to be here. Okay, here's the output file format. That's an ELF. Dependencies.
This is crazy, man.
So let's look for use NASM. Look, here's the tutorial. Oh god, let's try that. But this is on Linux-based operating system. Let's just try different code. Let's try this one instead, yeah? So we have a
Section data, where we hello, message, hello world, section.text, global start, and then here's our start, okay? And this is going to write.
Do I need an extension for this? All right, that's way better. And then we're going to exit the program. Okay, let's try this NASM. Okay, so I have my object. So wait, I don't know. NASM format of Win64 on hello, and I need to link file object. Man, it was on that tutorial. Here we go. Okay, I see what's going on. So let me close this. Oh no, I needed that. NASM shell. Okay, let's try link. No, it doesn't work, dude. There was some command I did with object, right?
You sure about that?
Object to exe. Like, this guy has the same thing as me. Do I have GCC? I remember seeing this. It walked us through, and it gives us an object. Okay, so we're trying to run this damn thing. Oh, it's a Linux command. You need the min GW package.
You sure about that?
To support the GCC compiler on Windows systems. All this stuff is pretty above me, dude. Okay, so I'm gonna try and download it. Okay, so I'm looking for this link command. So let's go to Visual Studio. Developer command prompt. I don't see it, dude. It doesn't exist. Alright, you win. Okay, let me try link. Let's look for this error. This is due to assembly object. Okay, let's just do this one. Okay, I'm gonna download this. Okay, here's a terminal. Go into our assembly lab. Developer command prompt 2019. Try that one. Oh my god, bro, it's been there the whole time.
No way.
It's all good. It's all good. So the preview is what messed me up. Okay, so let's, oh my,
You stupid.
I'm hurt. That like really hurt, dude. I installed so much stuff. Bro, it's okay, man. It's okay. All right, subsystem.
Console, entry, main.
Dude, I'm bad at following instructions. That's just what it is. Okay, because I changed the code, right? Let's try it again. Bit 64, exit process. Okay, cool. Oh, that means I gotta remake the object. Let's get our NASM shell. NASM, win64, output, hello world, for my hello world asm. Okay, and then I'm going to link one object console.exe. Oh, that's right. Gotta do it in the other window. Here we go. This is the one. Yep, and I'll just do it here. One. Unresolved externals. Okay, I'm gonna delete this. Let's look at this error. Okay, looks like I have to add some stuff to call printf externally. I don't think this is gonna work. Oh, right, because I deleted it. All right, got our object dot lib. Okay, I'm going to try this one now. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, let's see if we can make that into an object. I'll delete this one. I don't know, man. What was that error again? Okay, let's make the object. Try it with... Still trying to figure out this fatal error.
I don't know, man.
Can I just do that? I just gotta figure out how to close these resolves. This stuff is way beyond me, dude. Okay, let's try this one. This one goes directly to the Windows API and not link the C standard library, which is what was breaking it before. Okay, let's make our object. Oh, I gotta do this in Win32. Perfect. Because I have to change the subsystem.
Oh my god, bro.
Okay, link subsystem console node default lib entry main. Yep. Try adding the kernel library. Oh my god, did it do it? Yes, we did it. Finally. That was so painful. Stack Overflow, what would I do without you? That one was pretty tough. Let's see what we got. Last one. Brain esoteric and incredibly hard to read and write. Almost impossible for quick execution. I'm gonna take a break, guys. Okay, here we are. We are on our last one. Brain. All right, I'm gonna clear all these tabs. Let's get going. Esoteric programming language created in 1993 by Swiss student Urban Mueller. Designed to be extremely minimalistic. Consists of only 8 simple commands, a data pointer, and an instruction pointer. Someone's had to have done it already, right? Look, someone did it. Okay, how do I get it though, right? But how do I run it? So this is used to get the letter H and then print the result. Here's the version from Wikipedia. Okay, this uses a loop to capture the letters. I see. Now how do I get it? People are crazy. Oh look, Geek for Geeks has one. Okay. Oh look, here we go. Okay, but how do I run it on my computer? I don't want to use the web interface. I want to actually use it. Okay, these are the basics.
La da da.
Okay, so this is a simple brain frick to C compiler. Okay, so let me do this. Okay, let me open up a PowerShell, throw this in there. Now I need to compile this. I forgot how to compile C. Okay, here it is. Oh yeah, I remember now. Close this assembly code. All right, gotta do it in here. Okay, let me see this code again. Okay, so the C file didn't work. I'm gonna go ahead and try it with the asm. Okay, let's get my NASM shell. Let's see, I messed up. So we know where the code's at. We're just trying to figure out how we can compile it. This is apparently an assembly file. Here is the compiler. I think this is made for Linux. Okay, let's try to build it. This is supposed to be on a Linux machine, I think. So let me open up a Linux machine real quick. I only have a Kali at the moment. I might have to install stuff again, right? Like NASM. All right, let's get NASM. How to install a RPM file. Yeah, I have it. No. Let's just try this error. Let's looking for this error. Oh, that's lovely. Okay, how about this? Install NASM on Linux. Oh, look, it's there. Let's go grab that assembly code. Okay, here's the assembly code. Come to our Linux machine. And we're going to name it bf.asm. Everything looks correct. So now let's try to use it. We want to assemble it. Okay, I'm going to run nasm. Let's see the command again. It was at the top.
Okay, f bin o bf.asm and change the permissions, adding executables to that file.
Bro. Dude, I'm going to just try it in C at this point. What is it called? obfc.c. Put that in. Save it. Let's try to install it now. So let's do cl. Yes. Yes. Let's see what that is. Okay, compile C code on Linux. So GCC. Dude, why? Okay, let's nano it. He did this on purpose. Okay, let's try that one. Okay, let's add that. Let's try it again. Add that last include. Am I missing something? Let's see if anyone in the comments talked about it. Finally, someone figured it out. Let me copy these. Thank you, Cherubin, Altink. All right, let's get that nano file. Let's cut these out. Let's replace it with these. Yes. Wow. We have the compiler, guys. Let's go. Next, we just got to throw in the code and we'll be able to run our hello world. So let's call this hello.bf, which will nano. Put that in there. Exit. And let's try and use this tool, right? A.out, yeah. Got to specify an output file name. So I'll call it hello.o. I don't know. And then let's do verbose. Let's nano our C file. Everything looks good. I'm not gonna put any options, dude. No input files. But it's right there. Man, I don't know, dude. Let's see. Someone's done it. Says this is it. All right, I'm gonna copy that. Nano our hello. Paste this in here. All right, let's try it. We did it. Yes, it's done. Okay, so we have gone through 10 different programming languages. We went through the installations of many of them. A lot of the struggle of how to compile these programs was new to me, as I predominantly do web applications. So this was a great learning experience. I hope you had fun, and stick around for the next video. We're going to keep up the challenges and we'll all have a good time. Like and subscribe. Bye-bye.